Wow. Wow. That was a wonderful, wonderful shower. How cool is that? So this is an ecologically friendly filtered shower. So it filters out all the yucky stuff from water and it filters it through these stones. You also get a pack of spare stones. I'm gonna test them out, check them out. I'll keep you posted in the vlogs. Right, shower pressure test. Okay, so that's full blow on our shower head. Wow, so that's hard. My gosh, and then again. Oh yeah, that's my kind of shower right there. Oh my god, that's really like intense. Really, really happy with that, guys. So if you're in the market for something that definitely adds pressure, that is a winner. So happy, like so happy. Well worth it. That was, I could just live in that shower right now.